Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you. I know, you saw the title. We're making today Bolognese, you know what I say? With some spaghetti. One of my all-time favorite, but I always add a little twist to whatever I'm making, to my liking. But I'm going to give you the basic knowledge of what you need to have to make yourself your very own Bolognese sauce at home. So if that's something that sounds interesting to you, you know, wait until the intro and come in at the kitchen. Let me show you how the thing is done my way. Boom.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So now we're back, yeah? And as I said, we're going to be making spaghetti with the Bolognese sauce. But majority of the time, we're going to be focusing on, for all the time, we're going to be focusing on the Bolognese sauce itself. The pasta, if you want to learn how to cook your pasta and you don't want to follow the package direction, you can watch my video here and I'll show you how I cook the pasta to al dente, all these things so that it doesn't overcook. Watch that video, then you can come back. Or you can watch this video, then you can go and watch that video. But anything you do, make sure you get the Bolognese because that's the most important part here. So for Bolognese, we need ground beef, we need spices, and we need vegetables. So ground beef, I'm going to be using lean ground beef for this method. I have here my pan and I'm going to heat that up to about medium high, and then we're going to heat that with some olive oil. Now our pan is at that temperature. I'm going to heat that with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You see me? You need just enough oil in here so your vegetables don't burn. My choice of vegetable, I have already diced my carrots, celery, onion, and I have basil over here and some fresh bay leaf, right? For the carrots, I use 1 small carrot and I use literally one stem of that stalk of parsley and half white onion. First thing I'm going to heat my hot pan with is my onion, and I need to notch this down a bit. We're going to go right in now with my onion, and I'm going to be leaving my onion here for about 30 seconds to a minute, just so we can have everything translucent. I'm gonna hit that now with my carrots. So we're gonna extract all the flavor we can. So a minute for the onion, then another 30 seconds to a minute for the carrots. Alright, then I'm going to hit that now with, yes, you guessed it right, my favorite ingredient, the celery. Mix that in. See, still look like it needs a bit more oil, but it's okay. We just keep that at a low heat so it don't burn. This point in time, I'm going to season with a little bit of black pepper. Yeah. I'm using about ½ teaspoon black pepper right there. Gonna hit that now with 1 teaspoon of salt. Not a lot of salt, don't worry. Woo-wee! This smells good already. For my ground beef, because I'm on a strict diet journey, I already went ahead and portioned it out, and this is 14 ounces of ground beef, almost a pound, you know what I say? And believe it or not, this is just 1 serving for me. However, because I portioned this out, I already went ahead and I seasoned my ground beef with 1½ teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning and a dash of black pepper. And this is exactly what it looks like. As I said before, I portion them out, buy them fresh, portion it out, freeze them. So it's already there. I'm going to hit my pan with that. As I said, it's lightly seasoned before, right? I'm just going to break those pieces. And I just had it in the fridge thawing. So if it doesn't look as bright and red as you're used to, it's because I had it in the freezer and it's thawing. But it's nice. So a lot of people season their ground beef while it's in the pot. I like to season my ground beef before it hits the pot, so it already have that flavor. Just like you're making a burger. And I need to promote these videos because a lot of persons are saying you don't have this and you don't have that. You're new to the channel, I have over 230 videos. We have bar food too, man. I'm gonna check out the burger right there. So So at this point, you don't want to move a muscle. You want to make sure that you break up this beef because you don't want no big chunk of beef. You want everything to cook, so you use a spoon and you ensure that you're mashing this as you go. And we're just gonna cook out that pink and then we move from there. And at this point, I can now go ahead and add my garlic because we all know burnt garlic is bitter. So we don't want that. Put the garlic in right there. Oh, for the measurement for the garlic, that's 1 teaspoon of garlic. I remember I used to work at this summer camp for the physically challenged, and you have to cook their food specific, you know. It's like you're working at a nursing home basically, and I'm telling you, this was one of the regular items there. We'd have to make Bolognese sauce with spaghetti, and if I don't go to work, they'd go bananas for my beef. See it? Yeah, this looks good, this looks good. So we're gonna leave this to cook. Cover that 2 to 5 minutes and we'll get back to it. My backers.
What?
Yo! Alright, we're back in business. Yeah. You hear that little fry business. So yeah, all that pink has gone. Give this a taste. Beautiful. We're gonna hit this now with half teaspoon of ground cumin. I like to use cumin in my beef with a nice little flavor. Half teaspoon, nothing much. Cumin is very strong, so you want to be careful with that. Cumin or cumin, however way you call it, put that in at this stage. This is totally optional, but as I said, I like to put a twist on what I'm doing. Italians out there, don't beat me, I'm a yard man, but I work in a lot of Italian restaurants, and for some reason I always try to put my twist on everything. You see it? I'm going to go into a little bit of chili flakes, which is not really an abomination because chili flakes and tomato sauce is arrabbiata, right? But I like chili flakes and mostly everything. For my egg, you name it. I'm going to go in with half teaspoon, and I'm eating this. Jamie and I have none, so I can add my chili flakes, right? Chili flakes just to get a little spice in the thing, is it? Yeah. I like my food spicy, bruh. And then now from there, gonna add one of the star of the show. Normally you would drain this off, but as you can see, there's little to no grease that's in there because we're using the lean ground beef. I'm gonna go in now with 1 cup of my tomato puree. You know what I say? So crushed tomato. We're going in 1 cup. You can even use a whole tomato, but you'd have to crush that out though, right? And I like to use a tomato that's just a straight tomato from the can, which is this one that I'm using. I'm using this one right here. I don't like to use anything that's already flavored. I like to flavor my stuff myself. So it's just strictly the crushed tomato that's in there. See what that's also nice and beautiful? Yeah. That's right there. See it? Yeah man. Aight. Something that's gonna get it even richer in color is some tomato paste. I'm gonna go in with 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Tomato paste, however, get that nice color and flavor more on the acidic side. Mix that in. Now you want to turn this down because there's nothing more worse than to have high heat with tomato sauce in a pan. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Yeah, Nicki Minaj saying, I don't put sugar in my spaghetti sauce. I do. I like in a heat. You see me? Because you know all of that tomato can be on the sour side a little bit. So I put a little bit of sugar as the salt, the cumin, kind of balance that out. Mix that in. Low heat. I'm gonna go in now. Some fresh bay leaf. I have 2 right here. Stick those in. Now it's gonna clip now. Some fresh basil. And I have 2 leaves of basil right here. A little bit of fresh parsley in there. 1 teaspoon. So one thing that we should have in here that we don't have, I don't have any oregano, but that's okay. We're gonna still make this nice and delicious. So at this point now, I'm gonna go ahead and taste that a little bit. It's good. I'm gonna add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. We have 1.5 teaspoon in the ground beef. I'm gonna add the next 1.5 teaspoon. And you may be saying, all-purpose seasoning in my bolognese? No, thank you. Watch my video and you'll see exactly the ingredients that I use. It's somewhat of a mixture of what's in there: garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper. You know what I say? Same things that are in here, but a few, about 3 or 4 more added ingredients. But I'm not tell you, go and watch the video. That's my all-purpose seasoning. So we'll add 1 more teaspoon. So we don't want this to get salty. Just like whoever is watching this getting salty because I put all-purpose seasoning in my thing. So now, just mix that in. So I'm gonna add now 2 ounces of some white wine. White wine that you drink, you know what I'm saying? Or you can use red wine, beef and red wine. But I have white wine. 2 ounces of that wine. That's gonna help us to get that nice sauce. 1/4 cup of my chicken stock. Boom. Mix that in slowly, slowly, slowly. We need that to be nice and saucy. You don't want to have a dry bolognese. Look at that, beautiful. Just gonna cover this now on medium low heat. Let that sauce cook. Let that beef cook a bit more. All those flavors just married. And then now, after about 10-15 minutes, we can start cooking our pasta. And rest assured, you have yourself some nice, fresh bolognese sauce. Right in. See, fresh, nice, just like I like it. Give this a try at home. Definitely enjoy it. Nice and fresh, quick and easy. You know what I say? Bolognese with spaghetti.
Well, you act like you haven't eaten all day.
I haven't, really.
I know.
Until the breakfast. I'm enjoying it. This is my second video for the day. First one was the shrimp alfredo. We'll check that one out. This is the second one. When it's still there, you learn how to make it. Want me to teach you how to eat it too? Big up on yourself. Big up. Big up. And there you have it. How to make your very own bolognese with spaghetti. You know what I say? If for any reason you enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up. So if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe at the end of this video where that logo is at. And that's it from me for today with another pasta from the pasta series. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Adrian Morris, as I said in the beginning. Follow me on Instagram at Hawt_chef, and there you'll find all my social media handles how to keep up with me. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, my people. Safe travel on the graph and go and big up on us.